Sitting in our car this morning, waiting for the truck to get out of the shop. Oh, shop's over there. We have a coolant leak in the heater in the bunk, and it's getting fixed, and then be on our way to somewhere. Don't quite know where yet. They wanted to get the truck fixed first, so me and Puppers are hanging out in here, right, Puppers? Silly dog. We're out of there. Truck's fixed. We got a load that was preloaded in the yard going to Garden City, Georgia. And, well, here we go. This really stinks. See that road construction on the right there? I was supposed to turn right there. And it really sucks when this happens and you're in a big truck, because we can't turn on any street in a little town. Thank goodness there's a big parking lot here to turn around in and get us back on the right road. Ohio on Highway 23 at a Love's. We got 643 miles to go. We're on our way to Garden City, Georgia. A lot of back roads, it seems, to get there, but that's alright. Somehow, hundreds of miles away from the office, we ended up parking right next to another truck from the same company. A couple of nice guys in there. Already took puppers for a walk. Cooked up some steak and some fresh corn on the cob for dinner. And been watching The Crown. Interesting series. And now we're gonna hit the hay. So, see you tomorrow. we got unloaded, and then all of a sudden my air conditioner stopped working, and Freon's bleeding out of the air conditioning. So we're here at, probably can't see it from here, Kenworth repair place, and hopefully this doesn't take all day, but I hear they got really good air conditioning inside, and I am dying. 4 hours later, we have air conditioning, and that feels really good. I feel kind of bad that the company had to fork out over $1,000 to get it fixed. Apparently, it was either a loose clamp or it was overfilled with Freon the last time it was charged up. So anyway, we are on our way out of here, and we're gonna go pick up in about 15 miles, load going up to Detroit, and that'll be in our next video. If you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.